Welcome to another Engel Völkers video tour. We are today located in Villa Margarita, a stunning modern contemporary villa located in Rosario on the eastern side of Marbella. Are you ready to see more? Come with me. This is a huge property with over 700 square meters built, a plot size of almost 1,200 square meters, 4 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, and you cannot miss the facilities we have downstairs. Thank you very much for watching. For more information about this stunning property, click the link below. Also, remember to subscribe and hope to see you in Marbella soon. Bye bye.